Hello everybody. This video is going to be an EFT tapping round to help encourage getting a good night of sleep. I'll be using a positive statement for the setup statement, trying to set the intention, giving your body permission to feel more safe, relax, wind down for the day. If there is something acutely stressing you out, I would recommend going to a video, whether that's mine or someone else's, if there's a very particular issue that is keeping your mind especially active, to help release that as well. So let's go to the side of the hand and, repeating after me, say, I choose to allow myself to enter into a state where my body can begin winding down, where my mind can begin letting go of the day's events and whatever else it might be holding, so that I can rest and sleep well tonight. And I choose to honor and accept myself wherever I am. And today I'm giving my body permission to take the time to begin to unwind, to let go of what it's holding for the day, to open to the possibility that it's totally safe and okay to let this all go for the rest of the night. And I choose to have compassion for myself and my body. And I choose to give myself permission to allow everything to slow down, that whatever problems my mind is trying to solve, that it can take a break, that it will actually be better equipped to handle whatever does need to be handled. The more rest and recharge both my mind and my body get, reinforcing that it's safe and beneficial to allow myself to get a good rest tonight. And I choose to honor and accept myself right where I am. And let's go through the points now. Let's say, I'm giving my body permission to begin winding down. And I'm also letting myself tune in to what that looks like for me. I'm trusting my body to tell me what it needs to help unwind for the night. Maybe it needs to soften and relax. Maybe there's some energy to release beforehand. I'm allowing myself to let go of what I think it's supposed to look like, and allowing my body to tell me that in this exact moment here and now, this is what I need to feel able to relax for the night. And I'm tuning into my mind and the thoughts. Perhaps there are problems it's trying to solve. Perhaps there's something it's really excited about, or something it's just chewing on. And I'm not trying to stop it, but I am giving myself permission to be present and say, okay, There may be things to think about or work on. There may be things I'm anticipating for tomorrow. And so maybe there's valid reasons for all this thought. But I'm just asking if it's okay to set this aside for a moment. Is it possible that by giving ourselves this time to relax and recharge, you'll be able to handle that problem better tomorrow? I might be able to enjoy the activities more. And I'm also noticing that my mind and body have a momentum. Just like a fan that I might turn off. I don't force it to stop immediately. I'm going to allow it to start winding down. And I'm just going to stop feeding it more energy. So the thoughts may continue. My body still might be doing things that it needs to do to conclude the energy of the day. But I'm allowing myself as the conscious witness to begin winding down, to stop feeding more energy to my mind and body, and allowing everything to calm and relax. I'm allowing myself to recognize that it might feel really good to let my body rest. Allowing myself to let go of any pressure on myself to sleep well. This is not a test. It's not a sport. It doesn't matter if I don't fall asleep immediately. It's a chance to just rest and be compassionate. And intentionally create the space to say, I deserve to rest and relax. It's good for me to allow sleep to come. There's no guilt, shame, or pressure. Whatever time it takes. Just allowing my body, mind, and nervous system to enter into that space of deep rest and recharge that I really do deserve. And just reinforcing that it's good for me, I deserve it. And I allow it to unfold as it does, knowing that this will get better and better. As I practice this self-compassion and giving this space for everything to wind down. Okay, let's take a breath. Just let yourself keep easing into this. Be kind to yourself, and I hope it helps. Thanks so much.